All right, welcome to day 22 of the Via de Casa Malouff rebuild. All right, we got some guys working here today. I'm not sure where the AC unit guys are coming or not, what time they're coming, but we got the drywall guys here. They're fixing all the holes and things that I had made. We won't go into discussion like that, but they're here fixing up and patching up all the walls over there, and all these little tiny holes that I made in the walls, like that one, and whoever else around that I made these little tiny holes, pulling these things out, like that one up there. They're fixing all the holes and patching up all the walls, so they'll put the drywall here. I don't know what they're gonna do with the cable. They gotta make holes in the wood for the cable, so that's gonna be done. So that's what these guys are working on right now. So while they're working on this right now, I'm going to continue and try to peel the paint off of the vents over here. So it's gonna be my task for now. So I'm gonna continue that. Now, I didn't go out and buy any heavy duty stripper yet. I got a 40 grit sandpaper, so I'm gonna try the 40 grit first and see if that works. If it doesn't work, then I guess I'll have to go get the heavy duty stripper, which will probably make it a lot easier and quicker, but my task and job of this whole remodel is coming to a close, so I got to have something to do. So if I have to go to the store and buy more shit, then that's okay. Anyways, all right, well, we're moving forward, so keep watching. All right, day 22 comes to a close. This guy's been working hard. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. I'm hungry as beans. Anyways, I've been trying to peel the paint off this stuff. These shutters, man. The thing is a bean. It's giving me a workload. I lost my energy, so I stopped doing it. I gotta have a better lunch than what I've been having the past couple days. So hopefully that will be a lot easier tomorrow. I put a lot of ointment on it, so there it goes. The guys were working today. They actually did a lot of job today. They filled in a lot of drywalling. So as you see, the countertop for the kitchen is going to be completed. They blocked off over there. They blocked off this wall here from the fireplace. So we made the 2 windows. We just got to do some electrical and wiring for outside light and for the plug. They've been compounding the walls, smoothing out a little bit. So you see they did the hallway here. They did the bedroom. Not quite 100%, but it's the first coat. So we're going to smooth it out later. They still got to get that wall over there. So things are coming along. We're going step by step. In the bedroom, we plugged up the 2 walls over there, the 2 windows, which is going to leave this window for me. And did they do the thing? Yep. They even did the closet. Look at that. So we're making progress. We're coming along. So tomorrow's a new day. Today ends day 22. And I think the next couple of weeks we're going to start seeing a lot of progress. So I think next week, the middle of next week, the windows are going to come in. But they have to change the front here. The front side for these windows. So my next biggest major issue is this right here, the front door. Do I stick with a double door entry or close it in, go for a single door entry? That's the $1 million question. It ain't locking. Sorry for that. Don't mean to put you in a position. There it goes. That didn't work. Did that work? Yeah, okay, that's closed. Sorry about that. I had to close that door. So, anyways, let me close up this door here. Let me move their drill. I'll close up this door. All right. Turn the bathroom light off. Oh, I gotta shut the water off outside. That's it. Not a whole lot things done, but a lot of things are done. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to rip that out. I'll rip it out tomorrow. I ran out of energy today, so I'll do it tomorrow. Oh yeah, shut the water off. All right, well, thanks for watching. Tomorrow starts a new day. And eventually, they'll throw that away, but whatever. Who cares? It is what it is. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Like I said, next week, those windows are going to go half. I got to cut out. More siding we put in. All kind of fun stuff next week.